Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Velar D240 R-Dynamic HSE in silicon silver. This car has previously had one owner. You have 22-inch diamond toned finish alloys, and the car is next due for a service in June 2023. A powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full, and as you can see you've got plenty of space there in the boot. You can also put the seats down if you do need more room. Keyless entry. R-Dynamic tread plates and a lovely leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice to open on a sunny day or just for some fresh air. Heated and cooled front seats, ideal for winter and summer. And these seats are also massage, which is a real luxury to have. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you've got a rear view camera, making parking and reversing so much easier. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect to your phone, along with valet mode enabling you to lock the screen so a valet can only access your climate control. Bluetooth allowing you to make calls whilst on the go. Speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, and you also have a blind spot monitor, which is really helpful for motorway driving. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must for a cold winter morning. Memory seats, handy if there's several people driving the vehicle, and a Meridian surround sound system. This car's done at 14,232 miles. Stepping back outside the car, that was a stunning Range Rover Velar in silicon silver. If you're interested in this vehicle, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.